In this video, we will see about invoice scraping project. This project is all about scraping order information from PDF documents, which we are getting via email attachments. We are scraping the information from the PDF and storing it in more structured format in Excel files. After that, we are mailing ourselves those Excel files as well as uploading the order information to the orchestrator queue. The whole process is unattended process as there is no human intervention while execution. Yes, at the beginning you may find me running the execution, but that can be handled by applying a scheduler. So there are total 5 workflow excluding the main workflow. So let's see each workflow one by one. So the first workflow is fetch save attachment. So this workflow helps in automating the reading of the emails for invoice extraction. It automates the download of invoices. This workflow has a precondition. First one is Outlook should be configured in the system and there should be an invoice folder in the project directory. So let's move to second workflow, which is scrapping automation. This workflow helps in automating the reading of the PDF file. Then it invokes the scrap PDF data workflow, which is our third workflow. Then it automates the entering of the order information into an Excel spreadsheet. Then it uploads the order information to orchestrator queue. It automates the sending of email with an attachment of Excel workbook. There is a precondition of this workflow, which are there should be a proper connection of UI robot with the orchestrator, and there should be an availability of generated Excel folder in the project directory. Now move to the third workflow, which is scrap PDF data. So this workflow helps in pulling the order information from the invoices. So these are the information which it pulls from the invoice. Once we pull the required information from the PDF, it invokes the orchestrator queue workflow, which is our fourth workflow. Now let's move to the fourth workflow. So this workflow helps in uploading the order information to the orchestrator queue. Then at last we have send Excel mail, which takes Excel file path as an argument and sends an email to ourselves. Let's move to the beginning again and let me show you the variables and arguments of each workflow. So here you can see I have used list of mail messages and there is no argument because I have not invoked any workflow in this workflow. Now in the second workflow, you may see two variables. First one is of string variable type and second is a list of string. And now let's move to the third workflow. Here you will find a bunch of variables which have different variable types. For example, you may see string, list of strings, data table, and yeah, that's it. And apart from that, there is I have initialized two arguments. This one takes the PDF file location path, and the second one is the data table, which it outputs to the workflow where it is being invoked. Now let's move to the orchestrator queue workflow. So here you may see some of the variables which is of dictionary type because I have initialized this dictionary to be used in the add queue item, which is a type of activity which helps in uploading the information to orchestrator queue. Apart from that, I have some couple of arguments which is of string type. Now let's move to the send Excel mail workflow. Here you may see one variable which is of string type and two arguments which is of string type. Now let's move to the project directory. So here you can see all the workflow, and there are two folders. So first folder is invoice, where I will keep all the invoices which will be read by the workflow, and this is generated Excel, which will keep the generated Excels. Now let's move to the orchestrator queue. So here you can see the dashboard. Now click on the queue, and you can see there is no order information uploaded, and the name of the queue is order information. Apart from that, we have received a couple of emails. So here you can see the desired emails, which is of subject line Techno Computers, but you can also see some of the different emails. Now let's run the workflow and see how it performs. So as you can see, the folder is empty. Now you can see there are 4 PDF invoices. Now let's move to the generated Excel. You can see one Excel file has been created, and I think it is sending the this Excel file to the email, and as well as it is also uploading the order information to the orchestrator queue. Now you can see the third one. And I think there will be a last one. Oh yeah. So I think it's complete, and it will be completing soon. Yeah. So as you can see, we have received emails. So we got the notification. Let's check Outlook application. And as you can see, we have received 4 emails. Each one has an attached Excel file. Yeah, you can see all the desired information is in Excel file. Okay, so let's move to the orchestrator queue and see whether we have the order information over the queue or not. So as you can see, we have received 4 new queue. As you can see, yes, there are 4 queue, and each one has a desired information like subtotal, GST, and total. Yeah, so that was all about the invoice scrapping workflow.